The FBI has uncovered evidence that foreign hackers penetrated 2 state election databases in recent weeks, prompting the Bureau to warn election officials across the country to take new steps to enhance the security of their computer systems, according to federal and state law enforcement officials. The FBI warning, contained in a flash alert from the FBI's Cyber Division, a copy of which was obtained by Yahoo News, comes amid heightened concerns among U.S. intelligence officials about the possibility of cyber intrusions, potentially by Russian state-sponsored hackers, aimed at disrupting the November elections. Those concerns prompted Homeland Security Secretary Jeh Johnson to convene a conference call with state election officials on August 15, in which he offered his department's help to make state voting systems more secure, including providing federal cybersecurity experts to scan for vulnerabilities, according to a readout of the call released by the department. Johnson emphasized in the call that Homeland Security was not aware of specific or credible cybersecurity threats to the election, officials said. But 3 days after that call, the FBI Cyber Division issued a potentially more disturbing warning, entitled Targeting Activity Against State Board of Election Systems. The alert, labeled as restricted for need-to-know recipients, disclosed that the Bureau was investigating cyber intrusions against 2 state election websites this summer, including one that resulted in the exfiltration, or theft, of voter registration data. It was an eye-opener, one senior law enforcement official said of the Bureau's discovery of the intrusions. "We believe it's kind of serious, and we're investigating." The bulletin does not identify the states in question, but sources familiar with the document say it refers to the targeting by suspected foreign hackers of voter registration databases in Arizona and Illinois. In the Illinois case, officials were forced to shut down the state's voter registration system for 10 days in late July, after the hackers managed to download personal data on up to 200,000 state voters, Ken Menzel, the general counsel of the Illinois Board of Elections, said in an interview. The Arizona attack was more limited, involving malicious software that was introduced into its voter registration system but no successful exfiltration of data, a state official said.